Do you want to know some cool marketing shortcuts? I absolutely love a good shortcut, especially when you think about it from a marketing sense of, hey, you have this guide, you have someone that's been there before you, they've been there, they've done that, and they're going to show you a quicker, faster way, but it's going to get you the same result without as much work. And today I have marketing shortcuts just for you. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. So when we look at shortcuts or marketing hacks, really the main thing is just understanding the process of how people buy. When you understand the rules and the mental shortcuts that people go through when they're making a purchasing decision, you're able to actually hack the outcome and have them buy something. Now, obviously, when we're selling things, we want to use it for good, not evil, okay? So keep these in mind as you're doing that. But as I always say, people are out there searching right now for the solutions that you provide. So let's help them find your solutions and make it really easy. Number one, eliminate confusion. People avoid options where missing information makes the likelihood of success unknown. Make sure that your product or your service that you're offering is crystal clear. If you confuse, you lose. What it is, what it does, who it's for, how it works. If your target customer doesn't understand immediately how it will help them, they're gone. Eliminate confusion. Number two, make a big impact. People tend to make a decision based off a single piece of information, and usually it's the first one presented. Example, the first price that someone sees makes the biggest impact. Start high, then go low. Someone hears a $400 price tag first, then 75 is going to sound like an amazing deal. Make a big impact. Number three, everywhere for the win. When your business can become a part of everyday life for someone, then you're everywhere for the win. There's buzz generated about your business. And so it's this self-reinforcing cycle where they're going to believe, and by seeing it repeatedly again and again and again, their belief about your product or your service increases. So the more that your business gets mentioned by others and repeated, the value increases. Number four, social proof magic. I talk about it a lot in this video, but we do things, believe things, and think things because lots of other people do believe and think the same way. Everyone is doing it. It's got to be good. And you can use testimonials to your advantage. And I talk about it a lot in that video. Number five, praise the purchase. You really want to remove buyer's remorse and help your client or customer remember their decision, their buying decision is actually better than it was. Don't let them regret making that choice. Tell them it was a smart move. Talk to them about the benefit. I talk about this a lot with my marketing members in the sense that after you make that initial purchase, your job isn't done. You really want to reinforce it and praise the purchase. Number six, make it memorable. Stand out from the crowd. How are you different than everything else on the market? The more memorable, the more likely someone is to buy it. When's the last time that you saw something and you're like, oh, that's so cool. And then you got home and you're like, oh, why didn't I buy it? And it sticks in your brain. Hit that like button if you can relate. And maybe you even go back and buy it because it was that memorable. Let me know in the comments if you've ever done that. Number seven, the power of threes. So sometimes customers can be influenced to buy A or B when an option C that's not that great is added into the mix. This is also known as the attraction effect. So you can influence a customer's buying decision by giving them good option A, great option B, and not so good option C. Number eight, the IKEA effect. I love this one as we have so much IKEA furniture. It's so true. People place an unreasonably high amount of value on objects they assemble themselves, like IKEA furniture, Legos. We have a lot of Legos too. So how this works is the more the customer invests in the purchase process, they're more likely to follow through with the purchase. Maybe they take the car for a drive. Maybe they click to add their email so they can get a coupon or a discount for the buy. But the IKEA effect really works. Number nine, loss aversion or FOMO. This is simple. The pain of loss is greater than the pleasure of gain. If you can find a way to get your item or your service in the customer's hands first, you increase the likelihood of making a sale. This could be hopping on a Zoom call with someone, a free trial, or paying later. When people get to experience that, they see the value in it. And FOMO. Number 10, sell with rhymes. Rhyming statements are seen as more truthful. Crazy, huh? The kicker with this is that if you can make your tagline, hook, jingle, rhyme, you'll sell more. Might sound unbelievable, but it's true. Number 11, Don't rock the boat. So this is contrary to the make it memorable and stand out, but some people really like the status quo. So this goes back to you really knowing your ideal customer. So pay attention to which one you need to prioritize in your marketing. The takeaway is that if your ideal customer likes things done a certain way and they're very comfortable with that, it will be easier to sell to them if you adopt their worldview versus trying to change them to yours. Number 12. Faces, not names. You've probably heard it. People being like, I could remember what they looked like, but I couldn't remember their name. And we can use this same shortcut in marketing too. Pictures and visuals are way more easily recalled than text. So using visuals and images, charts, videos, wherever you can to help bring up that recall with your customers is good. So if you can use images and graphs and charts and videos in your marketing message, you're going to increase your customers' recall of what you sell. The words are good, but pictures are better. And add videos for an additional bonus. Just like these marketing shortcuts, if you want to know the shortcuts or my secret hacks for how I use Facebook to sell, so go to stephanieparisi.com and click Pack Membership for more information. While you're on my channel, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video just for you.